Hi there, welcome to this video, and this video will be very helpful to students from Technical University of Mombasa, but any other person can still watch it to learn a skill. Now, I realized that students who are joining TUM are asked to upload their documents before they join, and I also realized that it's a bit complex to do this for most of the students. And that's why I've decided to create this video to show you how you can upload your documents on the student portal for Technical University of Mombasa. So we don't have much time. Let's get started. So you will first of all look for this website, and then this is the home page. Come to portals and then click on TUMIS. Once you click on TUMIS, this will load where you are going to sign in using your index number. The username is basically your index number. So you will write here your index number, and then you will slash it with the year that you sat for the KCSE. For this instance, is 2023. Then the password is the same as the username. So I'll copy this and then I'll paste it as our password and then click on sign in. Once you do that, you'll be signed in this portal, and you can see we have various options here. And what I want you to click on is applications, and then under applications, I want you to click on my applications. Then here you will see your department and then your course. Again, you can download the admission letter if you wish, but I want you to click on upload admission docs. And then this website will load. You have to upload the academic certificates in one document, the bank receipt in one document, the medical form again also in one document, meaning if you have 2-3 pages, you have to scan them as one document. Now here you can see the status is still pending. Now the academic certificates I've already scanned, so I want to click on choose file, and then I locate the academic documents and then click open. And after that, you'll see the name of the document here, then click upload. Okay, give it a moment. You can like this video. Error 413, request entity too large, meaning the file is too large, we need to compress it. Now I want you to come and load this site, ilovepdf.com, then click on compress PDF, and then give it a moment to load. And then here you'll click on select PDF file, and then you will locate the file you want to compress and click open. And then here you'll click on compress PDF, and it's going to compress this PDF and give you a much smaller file size. It doesn't tamper with the quality of the PDF. Now it has compressed from 2.3 MBs to 369 KBs, which is still okay. It will download automatically. If not, click on download compressed PDF, and it will happily download that. Now come back here, then click on choose file. Okay, then locate the compressed file under downloads and then click open. Now we need to click on upload and give it a moment, and you see academic documents uploaded successfully. Now the bank slip, the student did not have the bank slip, so I'll not upload that. I'll come to medical, click choose, and here I'll locate the medical form and then click on upload. Again, it is too large, the same process to compress, so I'm going to speed this because we've already done it. Okay, it has already compressed and auto-downloaded. Here it is. Now I'll come back here and upload the medical form. I will locate where I have placed it under downloads and then click open. Then click upload. Just give it a moment. It has successfully uploaded. Now, lastly, the student passport. So you need to have a very beautiful passport photo, just like that. So I'll come click on choose file, and then I'll locate the passport and click open. You'll click on upload again, and that will successfully upload the very passport photo. So that is it. If you want to set up your passport photo size, you can do it in Photoshop, and you can use the size that I used. I used 3.5 by 4.5 centimeters. You can also go for a square, maybe 2 by 2 inches. That will still be fine. Again, you are not only limited to Photoshop. You can use Illustrator, you can use CorelDRAW, you can use any image editing software to do that. Okay, I realized when you also come here and click on request admission, you can still follow these steps to upload the very files, and when you click on upload docs, it will still take you to the same page we were, and you will follow the process. And I hope that this has been a very nice video for any student who is joining Technical University of Mombasa. And if that is the case, please make sure to like this video and also share it with your friends so that they can learn this skill and upload their files before they join the university. I think they are doing this because they don't want you to go with a lot of documents during admission. So the only thing they will ask you is your index number, and then when they check in the system, they will find that you are already registered in the system, and that will make their admission process very easy. If you encounter any problem with your submission, here are their contacts. You can contact them, and I'm pretty sure that someone will respond to your request and help you as soon as they can. If you found value in this video, you already know what to do. Subscribe with notifications on so that you can be the first one to receive our notifications when we post a video on this channel. And if you are a student from a different university and you have encountered a problem on your portal, you can always drop me a comment. I'll make a video and address the issue. Otherwise, I want you to click anywhere on the screen to watch our next video, and I'm pretty sure that I will see you in that video. Peace.